Hi, I'm Nick, Game Master DJ1's brother.
That's me. I'm Game
And
Master
here's
DJ.
him.
Okay, in some earlier video you may have seen him fail on trying to do a stunt with cheese. Well, I'm gonna do it this time, and he's gonna push the bed over me. Okay.
We want the dog to rip him to shreds, just so you know.
Okay, Nick.
That's not what we really want.
Push it
We
over.
want that to happen, but
over.
that's what I want
Push
to
it
happen. Okay, watch this fat loser.
Try to get squashed. Okay, just push the bed over, then release the hankus. I'll release him, then he can trample you. Just put the bed over. I'm a brave man.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Just push the bed.
I can't.
You can't push the bed.
Shut up. Maybe because there's a poop on it.
Pookies, go, please. No! Go! Oh, thank God. Okay, Nick, hurry! Hurry! Little more! Little more! Almost there. Okay. You ready?
Yup. Okay, viewers.
Wait, no, I'm opening the piece of cheese.
Okay. Hello, YouTube viewers. Please leave a comment for this video. Okay, I'm gonna go release the hankus. Would you like to do the honors? No? Okay, I'll do it. There he is. There he is. The hankus.
I got cheese and you can't get it. I got cheese and you can't.
He's trying to pry under it to grab him.
I got cheese and you don't. I got cheese. Right there, Hank.
Hank's the brown one.
Get
Luke
the cheese.
is
Get the cheese.
the white one.
Get the cheese, Hank. Get the cheese. Get the cheese. Got it, Haggis. Get the cheese. It's so close, Haggis. You almost got it. Haggis. Get the cheese, Haggis. Got it, Haggis. Haggis. Get it. Get it. Oh, Jesus. You bit it. Damn. Get the cheese. 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 Ow, my finger. Get the cheese, Haggis. Cheese. Hurry up. Get the cheese, I guess.
Hank ended up getting the cheese, so Hank won the war. And let me think. Yes, viewers, this is the job that Zach did. I'm kidding. It's this. Hey! Thanks for watching.